y'all. Well, here we have it. One last time with these extra long tips. We are going to Fatboys, get these brought in to where we only have about 2.5 inches coming out from the end. Alright, so we're headed to Fatboys now. Of course, whenever you want to get something done to your car, but it was method to the madness. I don't ever just hurry up and do something without making sure everything else in front of it is lined up and ready to go. I think I don't like to play well with others, but now that the piping, the mufflers, the X-pipe, everything is where I want it to be, and it got welded, it's sturdy. Now we can go ahead and relocate the tips, pull them in a little bit, reattach the hangers so they can hold everything up and off the ground. Custom, one of one, because I pieced this exhaust together in the floor of my garage. So, you know, I take pride in that. Anyone can go out and spend $1,200–1,300 on a full catback exhaust. It's something else to engineer your own 3-inch exhaust.